Today is April 11th, 2020. It is Saturday. It is the weekend, and the weekend is always a good time to help out around the house and laundry time. So today we're going to be sorting socks, which is also a math skill we've learned, sorting and classifying. So I'm excited to get started, and I have Cora with us today because she is actually a sock monkey. She is made of socks. My friend Alan made her. You can see here the mouth is the heel of the sock, and her head could be another heel or maybe the toe. Here we go. The first thing we want to do with our pile of socks is match the pairs and make a pile of pairs. Seems like no matter what, there's always one sock that does not have a pair. Today I found another sock that did not have a pair, but I looked back in my drawer and this was there waiting for it. So that one has a pair. This one I'll just have to put to the side and wait till the pair shows up. Now that I have my pile of pairs, we could stop and do a little math right now, counting by twos. Count with me, ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I have 14 socks. How many pairs of socks is 14 socks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For folding, you're just going to go once and twice and make a stack. Some just want to go once.